Hey guys, very big news. On the same day it was broadcasted on the same day as the fifth wheel of the future, and the women's soft man bronze press won the starring role of Ojiki Seri as Imora Miski. When the CM is over, the effect sound is urgent, the warning sound is emergency, the warning sound is smiler, and the screening is stop it.